What's up, everybody? I just came back from the theater watching Fast X, and they happen to have this collectible popcorn container on display that they were selling, and well, I caved and I bought it. Let's unbox it. Never done an unboxing before, so feel free to yell at me, but I'm going to take one of my trusty pocket knives here to open this thing up. Hopefully that won't get me, I don't know, banned or something. So, I don't normally buy stuff like this, but I do love the Fast and Furious franchise. Had a lot of good memories watching the movies. I figured this is sort of the type of thing you don't normally see. And since the series is supposed to be coming to a close soon, either with the next movie or the rumored third final part of the series, either way, I figured this was a good time to pick something up. Got these annoying clips here that you see on the bottom of a lot of kids' toys now. They're kind of cool because you don't have to actually unscrew something. So, that's kind of cool. But I feel like there's got to be a better way to secure a toy in packaging. This is like taking the battery out of an old Ford pickup. No, it's worse. It's like taking the battery out of a Jeep. It's being held in, yeah, just held in by the tires. Yeah, so this thing looks great, and the wheels do spin, so that's good because I was kind of worried that they weren't going to spin. Obviously, this thing is meant to hold popcorn. So we got this little piece of plastic here that looks like it holds it together. I want to try to find a... well, I guess there's going to be no friendly way to do this. Remember to always cut away from yourself. Let's pop the hood on this bad boy. It actually does open up like a hood. It's like a clamshell type of thing. That opens up like that, and you can see on the inside. The only thing that I don't really get about this is it's supposed to be a popcorn holder. You're supposed to eat popcorn out of this. I don't know what I was imagining, but I was not imagining that on the inside. I mean, I guess that wouldn't be super hard to clean, or you could probably just stick something in there to eat your popcorn out of. But I was literally imagining like a dish of some kind in here that you would put your popcorn in. I mean, it's really cool. I'm still really happy that I got it. It's a cool looking piece. Oh, it does kind of snap close. I tell you what though, I cannot wait to get my kids' reaction to this thing because it is way bigger than I think any of the toys that he has. Like any of the other toy cars that he has, they're not this big. So that's the Fast 10 Dodge Charger popcorn holder. And if you guys want to see me unbox more stuff like that, then let me know. And either way, remember to keep it in gear.